Hey there! Are you frustrated by a pesky login error on your iPhone when trying to access DoorDash? Worry not, because today we're diving into how to fix the login error DoorDash iPhone. Whether you're a food lover trying to place an order or a dasher ready for your next delivery, getting locked out of the app can be quite the hassle. But fear not, by following a few simple steps, you'll be back to ordering or dashing in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in resolving how to fix login error DoorDash iPhone involves checking your internet connection. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or cellular data is working properly. Sometimes simply toggling the airplane mode on and off can refresh your network connection. You might also try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Update the DoorDash app. Next up, ensure your DoorDash app is running on the latest version. Open the App Store on your iPhone and check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Often, updating the app can fix glitches, including login errors. Keeping your apps updated ensures they run smoothly with the most recent features and security patches. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Moving on to the next fix for the DoorDash login error on your iPhone, clearing the app's cache and data might do the trick. Unfortunately, iPhones don't allow direct cache clearing like Android devices, but you can offload the app. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, DoorDash. Tap Offload App, then reinstall it to clear the cache without losing your user data. Step 4. Reset your password. If you're still experiencing problems, resetting your DoorDash password might be necessary. Go to the DoorDash app's login screen and select Forgot Password. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. This method ensures you're entering the correct credentials, which might be the cause of the login error. Step 5. Reinstall the DoorDash app. If previous solutions don't work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the DoorDash app. Press and hold the app icon until it jiggles. Then tap the X to delete it. Reinstall the app from the App Store. Log in with your credentials and see if the error is resolved. This process can resolve more deep-seated software issues within the app. Step 6. Check for iOS updates. Sometimes the issue isn't with the DoorDash app itself, but with your iPhone's iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to check if a system update is available. Keeping your iPhone software up to date can prevent compatibility issues with apps like DoorDash. Experiencing a login error with DoorDash on your iPhone is undoubtedly annoying, but by following these 6 steps on how to fix login error DoorDash iPhone, you can troubleshoot and resolve the problem efficiently. From checking your internet connection to updating the app and your iOS, each step aims to address common issues that cause login errors. If all else fails, consider contacting DoorDash support for further assistance. Remember, staying patient and methodical is key to resolving technical hiccups. Now let's get you back to enjoying your favorite meals or making those deliveries. Happy dashing, and may your orders always go through smoothly.